Oh, I ran out of pamphlets. Oh, actually, I saw the beer print. I did. Hello.
Hi.
Is this place to visit, or is it your office, or it's a place that I can visit? I was looking for a pamphlet, but you ran out of pamphlets outside.
Let me help you, I can't. Thank you so much. I just can't understand it, so I'm gonna talk with them. Yeah.
You had this pamphlet with the trail, and there is no paper left outside.
Do you want a trail map?
Yes,
Oh, come on in.
thank you.
What's your language, Spanish?
My language, English.
Oh, it's, okay.
I
I'm
speak
having
English.
trouble
I'm
understanding.
sorry. Yeah. Maybe it's my accent. Probably it's an accent.
Okay, because if you speak German, I can speak German.
Oh no. Nein.
Right,
Nein sprechen Sie Deutsch.
okay. Now, here's your trail map. Two trails are up there. Up the
I
stairs.
was interested actually about that one in this 2-mile reservoir.
Oh, okay. But then this one, you don't want to do. You
Right.
don't want to go up.
No,
Well, then,
no, only down.
Okay.
But online I saw you have a color map, like a pamphlet that fold, like the one that folds.
Okay, now wait a second. That trail down there. You drive. Did you drive here? Okay. Drive down the dirt road, and at the paved road here, sign on the right.
Right. Trail head.
It says Nature Conservancy. Go there, park there, go through there, through the gate. Here you are. You're here. You're going down the dirt road, park here, go through the gate, by the pond, and back there. Over there. Got it?
Got it.
Now let's, you said there's I'm going to give you a
Yeah.
Dale Bowl Trail.
Oh, that's good.
Because these are the Dale Bowl Trail system. That's a very big trail system in Santa Fe. So you can have that. There's one down here that goes up on the mountain there. But the one you want right now is that one down there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Would you like to borrow binoculars?
I have mine.
Okay. And if you're birders, those are the birds you're likely to see.
What about the beavers?
Well, I don't know whether you're going to see beavers or not. You might.
Because
there are sometimes a few.
They don't come out during the daytime? They have no predators.
Yeah, but sometimes you don't see beavers down there. Sometimes there are a few.
But they should probably eat the wood, so there will be stumps with beaver marks on them.
There have been beavers there. Hang on just a second. I will ask about the beavers.
And I had a question about beaver. Are they ever called brown as a slang for beaver? Have you ever heard that?
Okay, let me look it up. While I'm looking it up, do you want to look at those birds over there?
Do you know the birds by the voices?
Yeah.
Or do you?
Well, I'm not very good at it, but some people can. No, I don't see. The beaver has several names.
Such as?
Castor canadensis.
Oh, this is the Latin.
Castor. They have several names beginning with C-A-S-T-O-R, cast. castor. Castoridae, that's the Latin name. The mountain beaver is Apolodontia rufa, but I don't see anything about brown, but in another language you may find it.
Right. Or maybe it's an old name for them, that they were never called like this. Because previously they were hunted, right? Now they're protected.
Well, it all depends. Some places they're still hunted, some places they're protected. And that's back east, where I come from back east, we had a lot of beavers. Sometimes they'd be killed, and sometimes they'd be allowed. But they cut down the trees, and they make dams.
Right. Maybe because, you know, they hunted for the pelt.
Hang on a second, I've got it. Just a second. Rattle Davy Audubon Center, this is Eleanor. Fine. May I help you, please? They're open at 8 o'clock. Yes. And it's closed on Sundays. Yes, you may. But just know that, if you have an accident, you're not likely to have, much assistance, because it won't be here. Yes. Okay, fine. Sure. Okay.
You have more visitors.
Big pardon?
You have more visitors. I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, can I help you with anything else?
No, that's all. That's all I need.
You don't want binoculars?
I have mine.
You have your own? Okay, fine.
Have a great day.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Come here, Jacob.
Well, they don't call beavers brown anymore.